Someone was actually wondering how I was able to achieve this kind of video editing by letting one of myself to sit on the coconut tree while one of my humble self is standing on the ground talking to the one on the coconut tree. So I am in this video to teach you how I was able to achieve this.
Alright, in the first clip, record yourself as if you are talking to someone sitting on the branch of that very coconut tree. And after that, record yourself in the second clip where you are responding to that very statement in a green background color. The essence of this very green background is to enable you remove the entire background of the video. Then once you are done with that, head over to Capcut. Alright, having the two clips imported to Capcut editing application like this, kindly head over to the one you recorded on the green background color and click on that very side that I marked like this to have it highlighted. Then the next thing which you need to do is to slide to this end. You can see what I'm doing until you get to overlay. You can see it here. This is it. Click it for me. It will slide the video down below the other video, which is the main video. Click on that very overlay video and swipe it to the beginning of the first video clip. What you need to do at this very point is to have it highlighted by clicking here. Now slide to this end until you get to transform, which is marked by this. Click it for me. The essence of this is to reduce the background. Then you click on the resize to reduce the background of that very overlaid video. Once you have the resize clicked, then you head over to any part of this very stuff that you are seeing here. All these edges that are marked, you can see it. So these are the areas where you can click and hold and drag it to any length that you want the video to be cropped. Okay, so that is it. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, if you do not understand, do well to ask your question, please. So let's leave it like this. Then once you are done doing the cropping, then you head over to this very particular check mark. You can see it there to authenticate, authorize your action. Then it didn't end there. Click this very point for me to return back to the editing interface. Then having it returned like this, you swipe to remove BG. That is remove background, because we want to remove that very green background column. Then once you get to BG, click on chroma key. Having the chroma key button clicked, this will appear. I want you to take note of this very circle inside that very green screen. That is the chroma key button. Now inside that very circle, as you can see it, click on the center of it and navigate the button like this until it will get to a position where the green color will disappear, or if some part of it is remaining, let it be small like this. Now the next thing which you need to do is for you to head over to this very intensity. Now click on that very circle white button and slide it to the right hand side. The essence of sliding it to the right hand side is to remove the excess residual part of that very green screen. Now once you are done with that, then click on this very check mark button. You can see it here to authenticate, authorize your action. Now having that done, you come over to this very place, click it for me. Now once you have it clicked, it will take you back. The image is bigger now, and you need to use your two fingers or two thumbs to shrink it in, that is to zoom it in. Do you understand? You can see what I'm doing. Reduce it so that the one standing on the ground should be bigger than the one on the branch of the coconut tree. I think this size is okay. Once you are done with that, then use one of your finger to move it to any part of the branch or the position where you want it to be. You can see what I'm doing with that very green circle. That very green circle that is moving like that is my finger, okay, where I'm sliding through the screen. Let's position it this way. Do you understand? Now once you are done doing that, then the next thing for you to do is to play the video. Let's play it, but let me first of all zoom it in now and click on the all right. You will discover that the voice of the one standing on the ground and the one on the branch of the coconut tree is clashing. So now I may not really take time to do the adjustment, but I want you to understand this, that before you head over to start recording, you should practice your script very well. Do you understand? So that two of them will not be clashing, okay, to enable your editing. Do you understand? Now before exporting the video, come over to the end of the video. Now reduce or adjust the one that is very longer so that the two clips will be one, okay, we stop at the same point. Once you are done doing that, then you head over to export to export the video direct to your gallery. You can see it loading. So this is the end of the tutorial. Please, if you really valued what I've shared with you here now, do well to share this very video and share the video so that others will learn and benefit from it.